Wales head coach Steve Tandy has handed 5 uncapped players a shot at international rugby, with the potential for a first test cap against world champion South Africa later this autumn. Tandy, named in charge only recently, revealed his squad this week, and among the 39 players selected were Dragons hooker Brodie Coghlan, Cardiff prop Danny Southworth and Ospreys lock James Fender, Ospreys back row Morgan Morse and Bath centre Louie Hennessey, all included for the first time. While the opening matches of the Autumn Nations series against Australia, Japan and New Zealand will provide plenty of opportunities, whether any of the newcomers get minutes in those fixtures remains uncertain. But the final match against the Springboks on November 29th could offer a perfect window for them. That game falls outside the official international window, meaning overseas-based players, including Hennessey, will not be released by their clubs. That opens the door for Coghlan, Southworth, Fender and Morse to earn their first caps. Tandy was clear about the significance of the opportunity. There are senior players who you think might play, but ultimately there is a chance for everyone to put a mark down on how they train and how they operate off the field in the group, he said. The inclusion of these uncapped players highlights Tandy's commitment to building a dynamic and competitive squad. All 5 now have the chance to stake their claim and show how they can perform at test level. With Wales facing a demanding series including traditional powerhouses and the reigning world champions, there will be no shortage of challenge or opportunity for those looking to make their mark. As the Autumn Nations series gets underway on November 9th against Argentina, eyes will be on these emerging talents for Coghlan, Southworth, Fender and Morse and Hennessey. The coming weeks could define their careers, offering the chance to step onto the international stage and join the ranks of Welsh rugby's newest heroes.